All right, beautiful people. This is Positive Trading with you again. Uh, Welcome to my video. We'll be talking about certain altcoins today and Bitcoin Dominance Chart, check on chain chart, very important charts, and Pi cycle. So I hope you like this kind of content. Make sure subscribe if you want to grow your trading journey and investing. It will help out the channel as well. I recommend to watch this video with 1 or 1.25 or 1.5 speed. So at least you will save your time. I will be putting timestamps below for each individual if in case you want to skip the video to the specific part of the video. All right. With that being said, we are at Coingecko right now, and market cap of total cryptocurrency is 2.5 trillion almost. One thing I want to highlight with this 2.5 trillion market cap, why I brought it up, is that uh, this market cap was almost at the peak of 2021 bull run market cap. Okay, we peaked at 3.2 ish, I think. So somewhere about $3 trillion market cap at 2021, and right now we are at 246. Why I'm really emphasizing on the market cap of total cryptocurrency is because of this chart here. If you look at the Bitcoin, this is actually, for those who doesn't know, it's on CoinMarketCap. It's a Bitcoin dominance chart. Very important chart if in case you are planning to invest in cryptocurrencies, because it helped me a lot. In the beginning of this bull run in 2023, towards the end of 2022, 2023 beginning, I started buying some of my favorite. Well, I'm more interested in top 100 altcoins. So I bought some of my favorites randomly because uh, the Bitcoin dominance chart was showing some signs that altcoins will be taking the market cap of or share of total market. Right now, as you can see, we are at 55.5%. This is huge. Why? Look at it. $2.5 trillion and 55% of it is on Bitcoin. And probably another huge chunk is on Ethereum and Solana. So if in case you're just buying smaller cap altcoins, until this Bitcoin dominance chart drops below 50, or at least like 52%, 51%, it's not the best game or best strategy that you're doing, because when the altcoins will move is when Bitcoin dominance chart drops below 50% usually. However, we will not see that often. So as soon as it's below 52%, I start accumulating, and then altcoins will start showing signs. And as you might hear, sometimes people say, oh, don't buy all the altcoins, uh, select some of them according to the narrative. Somewhat that is true, but most cases, all the altcoins, they move together. Once the capital is coming in, big players will start dividing into their capital into different altcoins, and most of the altcoins, 90% of them, will start moving. So unless you're really dumb and selecting that 10% of altcoins that doesn't move, then you're okay. So right now we are in a coin market caps trading views chart, and this is a Shiba Inu. I'm looking at the daily. The market cap of Bitcoin, the dominance of Bitcoin is 55%. And look at your favorite meme coin. The RSI is at 28. Here, let's look at it. RSI is at on the daily at 28, and on the weekly we're heading down. Probably will be touching this low In my opinion, we're coming somewhere here, okay? And we'll be touching this EMA, or actually this is my moving average 50. So we'll be coming to that area, okay? And on the daily, we are showing some signs of seller's exhaustion. Seller's exhaustion is very important for us right now. And let's highlight this area here. This is where sellers are getting exhausted and the candles are getting smaller and smaller, all the while RSI is showing a perfect bottoming structure. So all I want to see right now is for us to go above this major moving average. And that would be probably somewhere about 18, 19, somewhere at this zone. So until then, it's not the safest play if you, in case you want to get in. And let's take a look at Pepe. It's a fan favorite, Pepe USDT, on, can be Bybit, can be Binance, whatever it is. The RSI is still at 43, but we might be heading a little lower, probably to this area. I don't think it's going to go too low because there's better support, and the narrative of Pepe is doing really well. So here is a huge support. If in case it falls to this area, I'm ready to buy, and I would probably drop down to 4 hourly chart and see how the price is reacting. If sellers are getting exhausted, just like the Shiba Inu one, then we are safe to go in. Okay. With that being said, let's take a look at a couple of charts that I really want to take a look at this. Pi cycle top indicator. Every time when you see the spike of the price, Bitcoin's price, above the pi cycle lines, see the purple and blue lines, and stayed above it, holding its support. And this was our peak at 2017, and the next one was the first peak at 2021. The second peak, we didn't even bother going above the purple line. So right now, we are finding support at the blue line. We had a quick little, I don't know, it's a headbutt basically. We had a sneak peek above the purple line very briefly, but came back down quick. So, and we didn't even have this kind of huge profit taking. If you didn't watch my previous video, I showed that chart specifically, the long-term holding whales taking profits, and the realized and unrealized profits and losses chart. So in this one, we are not taking a look at this. We are just going to look at the pi cycle top and how the Bitcoin is reacting at this specific area. Because as soon as the price couldn't hold support and dips below the blue line, I'm getting out. I'm getting out, and I'm just going to be watching the market and Bitcoin dominance. If it's going to really fall, that's the time I'll be getting into the altcoins. Because I'll be daily trading with leverage. By the way, if in case you guys want to do that, I'll be putting links on my description of this video, so you can trade on BitGet and Binance with the referral link. So that's easier for you to sign up. In any case, this price is right now finding support at this blue line. Price can go a little bit higher and make a new all-time high. However, what we really want is Bitcoin dominance to drop below 52, 50, something like what was in a previous alt season. Okay. Ideally 46, 48%, 43%. But let's check on the week. So it's pretty high. CoinGlass has been accurate on Bitcoin's dominant chart as well. So I want this to drop. So Pike cycle top indicator will tell me if Bitcoin is showing strength or losing strength, and the dominance chart shows me if altcoins are gaining momentum or not. And then we have another chart that I want to show you guys is here, Euphoria Zone. Let's see where we're at. Okay, we went a little euphoric just around here. That's why you saw a huge sell-off, but it wasn't as big as people make it out to be. Okay, I think we have one more push to go because you see here 2021, this euphoria line, horizontal green line, was huge. Okay, and second one, you can see it's not as thick, but here we had a quick sneak peek, and altcoins didn't even rally that much. Whoever was watching Bitcoin dominance chart made some money in the beginning when 2023, the beginning of 2023, when altcoins started moving. So I would be watching this chart like a hawk right now, and I'll be also taking a look at this chart. So what's happening? Is the green line is appearing again? Is it getting thicker? Is Bitcoin has momentum or not? Okay. So in my opinion, right now, altcoins are trying to form a bottom. At least that's what it looks like to me. Okay, we can do a trend line here on the daily because daily is quite strong, and watch for this to break probably in this zone somewhere about 12.2. And if in case it breaks, I think it would be a good sign. We could easily make it to this EMA, which is around 13.3. Until then, I'm just a watcher. I'm just watching. I don't want to trade emotional. If you don't care about the price, you want to accumulate in your spot wallet, that's fine. That's up to you. However, it's just my opinion for us to take a look at market cap, Bitcoin dominance, euphoria zones. Those are pretty accurate indicators that tells me what's happening in the market. Guys, do not forget to subscribe if in case you want to keep up to date with the market. I'll be posting almost daily about very important charts, about what I'm doing with the altcoins and all that. And please share this video with your friends. It helps out a lot. Thank you guys for your support. See you on the next one.